Hello, friends. Welcome to another episode of Analyzing the Markets with Jay Flores. Today, I wanted to do a video explaining differences between Too Easy indicator and Simplicity indicator, and also the scanner. I had a couple questions in the comments. What are the differences between those indicators? So I'm going to talk about it real quick. I don't have the scanner. I do have the strength indicator, which is the one you're looking at it right now. And the reason I don't have the scanner is because, I just haven't took the time to buy it. But also, I don't necessarily need it in the sense that if I have pairs open down here in this line, as you can see right now, I'm going to click the different pairs. That's another different indicator right there. But if I have pairs lined up in the bottom right here, and I have the alarms set, it will send me the signals to my push notifications. So let me start with the Too Easy indicator, which is this one right here. The Too Easy indicators comes originally with the strength indicator, which is this one right here. And what it does is, for example, you got Alliance bar 1, which is talking about the candlesticks. Bar 1, bar 2, bar 3, bar 4, bar 5. And it's measuring the different strengths in the different time frames. For example, in 5 minutes, all the bars, are green, meaning that in the time frame of 5 minutes, last 5 bars were green, meaning they have a strength to the upside or buying power. 15 minutes, the same thing. And 1 hour, it's buying. And normally starts in the bottom, starts with the minor time frames, and then starts spreading into the bigger time frames, because all the reversals, that's the way they happen. They start in the minor time frames, and then they start polluting all the bars going higher. That's the way the moves happen. Okay, so it's a real good strength indicator in that sense, because it's picking up the strength since the beginning of the moves, or small reversals, or even corrections sometimes. So it comes with this strength indicator. When you purchase the system, I think it's $99, or with tax or no tax, not sure. Tax, it's $99. Maybe a few dollars more, a few dollars less, I don't know. But that's the price, and it comes with this. It comes with a few videos with Uncle P is explaining how to use it. He shows you the setups and what is the best way to get profitable with this one. Also comes with the Too Easy trading system. This is the MACD for the Too Easy trading system. And if you're familiar with the MACD, it works very similar to the regular MACD, but the codings are this one are a little bit different. I really like it the way it works, because it confirms your trades. Also, you can add this indicator right here, which is 50 moving average, I think, and that's to confirm the trades. And this is a free indicator. Every MetaTrader has this one. And also, Uncle P recommends to put the momentum indicator. We use it at 10, and then we put it a center line at 100. That's a new MetaTrader for free also. And normally the way to use it is very simple. For example, let's look for a move. For example, we had this move up right now, and it's still obviously moving up. Pretty much what we do, when we see a move, standing move coming down, and then we see that the price is going back again, we normally want to look at that area over here. Let me make it a little bigger. Back to that area. I think it was right here. Yes. And what you do at that moment is say, okay, you have a cross, for example, of the 50, and at the same time, you want to make sure that you're above the 0 line right here in the MACD, which is green, cross, and also the momentum is above the 100 line. On the bottom, that's your entrance, right? According to this, this, and this. At that point, you're going to look at the strength indicator. And if the strength indicators, you have all the M5s green, all the M15 greens, and then you can set this for the 30 minutes or the 1 hour. But if you have all the 30 minutes green and the 1 hour, normally you need 2 at least, and you can go into a trade. Okay. After you go into that trade, I mean, you got 41 pips right there. Obviously, it's recommended for you to move your stop loss to break even after that. But as you can see, if you, let's say you don't move your stop loss, you put it below the previous low, which is right here. You go then the trade goes back after a while. And then you can see the trade just goes real high after that. Okay, so that would be one trade right there. And I can see a lot of trades every time, pretty much every time the price crosses the 50. And what you want to see, look at this consolidation forms right here. And if you see a breakout of the 50 going up, you look at the strength, look at the MACD at that point. Let's say you didn't have an entrance here, you didn't have an entrance here, you have an entrance here. MACD is green, momentum is above the 100. And then if you have the strength indicator telling you, if this would be red, I wouldn't go into this trade, but if it would be green, I will jump at that trade. So it is real good indicator. Trust me, it's real good. It looks very simple, but it's real good. Okay, so that's for the Too Easy indicator, which is $99. This is what you're gonna get. Okay, and that's one payment for life, and you get the strength indicator for life. I mean, this strength indicator, if you already have a strategy or a indicator that you like, you can just add it, and that will add a lot more certainty to your trades. Okay, the other one is let me show it to you right here. This is another broker that I have. This is the Simplicity, which is the Simplicity. Let me make it smaller right here. Simplicity comes with this bar zones right here, which is a buy zone and a sell zone, and it also gives you this arrows right there. But in my experience, those arrows they always come on when they price cross the 50. Also, what happens is in the Too Easy, excuse me, you don't have the arrow. It just, you're looking at happening. But this one, you know, it gives you a visual representation pretty much. So in this case, you will have the arrow for if you buy the Simplicity. You didn't, obviously Simplicity doesn't come with the strength indicator. So you will get the arrows, you will get the buy zone, sell zones. There's rule for everything, obviously. With the Simplicity, you get this indicator right here, trend surfer, which normally the way it works is this is just more indications to go into a trade. For example, let's look at this trade right there. I will look at that trade. Okay, I will get a an alert. I will come and see it, and then I will look down, right? I will see, well, normally just the simplicity, it doesn't come with the MACD, but I will have this because this one is free. So I will see if that one, the momentum is about the 100 line, and then the trend surfer in short term, this is short term, it's green. Long term is green. I will jump into that trade, and that's just for the simplicity. But I use all, I mean, if you have everything, we use everything, even the strength indicator in this case. So I repeat, simplicity comes only with arrows by zone, sell zone. It comes with the trend surfer right here. Okay, that is the differences. Those averages, you can add them on or not if you don't like them. All depends on your style of trading. And then the scanner, which I don't have. It's well, simplicity, it's about 1 second please. Okay, so yeah, like I was saying, the scanner I don't have, so I can't show it to you. It's because I don't need it. But it's useful if you want to get it. Obviously, the price, it's 189, I think, right now. And what it's gonna do, it's gonna send you an alert every time one of these arrows shows up in any of the times that you want to program. For example, if you only trade a 4-hour time frame, you could program the scanner for every time a 4-hour arrow prints, it's going to send you an alert, and etc. You can program the scanner for 30 minutes. There will be a lot of arrows coming, for as many as, pairs do you like. So that's what the scanner does. So I guess it's a very useful tool, but I don't need it. It might be useful for you, so that's up to you. Just want to explain what it does. So those are the 3 products pretty much from Super Easy Forex. When you buy the Simplicity system, that's when you get access to the Telegram group. You also get access to live classes on Tuesdays and Wednesdays every week in the mornings, and it's normally done by Uncle P, which is the creator of the systems. And you can ask questions live, and that's for life pretty much. So that's one payment for life, and you get that to learn Forex, and it's very useful, very useful. So I really recommend it. But the way I think, it's if you're a more experienced trader, all you need is the 2 easy indicator right here with the strength meter, MACD, and that will help you a lot. Okay, and this one, like I said one more time, this one is $99, the 2 easy. If you get the scanner is $189, and I'm just talking close numbers. I don't know if they add tax or something. And the simplicity is $300 because it gives you those arrows, it gives you those time zones, plus you get the membership for life with the simplicity only. Okay, so, and the memberships includes, into a Telegram, and where you go into the classes every Tuesday and Wednesday. And the classes are about, how to trade, best time to trade, and also a lot of psychology for the trading part, which is very important. Okay, friends, so I just wanted to make this video to clarify that. if you want to buy or purchase the Too Easy or the Simplicity, I have a link, special link below the video, that you can, it'll take you directly to purchase them. And if you do through my link, because I get benefit from that, please let me know. So if you have any questions, I can definitely help you with it. But once you get Simplicity or Too Easy, there's video installations step by step you gotta follow. There's special license keys that you gotta have, otherwise it doesn't work. You gotta send them your broker number, and that way they can adapt that license to your special broker. Well, thank you very much, friends. I'll probably do another video later to see what pairs look good for this week. Thank you very much for listening, and God bless you all. See you guys soon.